Yo, 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 what is up, everyone? Have you been wondering why your smaller favorite YouTube channels haven't been working? Why they aren't growing? Well, today, I'm going to show you how you, as the viewer, can help them out. So today, in today's video, I'm going to teach you about the way it works as a viewer and how to help another YouTube channel grow as a viewer of that channel. So what we're looking at is there are three components that are majorly affected in the algorithm. The two basic ones would be likes and comments. Likes and comments are great, guys, but they're actually not doing a whole lot with the algorithm. The algorithm sees those as normal. They're just a normal part of YouTube. They always have been. However, there is one thing in all of it that it uses like gold or diamonds or precious metals and things, and that would be shares. This is also why you don't see a lot of YouTubers talking about sharing out when they should be, as it's kind of taboo to talk about it. When realistically, you have guys like Markiplier and Jacksepticeye who they grew because somebody shared them out. And they have openly admitted it, guys, so that's what that's all about. We also have, the likes and comments thing, but, on a video that gets 3 likes and 5 comments, how is it going to grow? It's not. It has to be shared out to draw more audiences in. Now, the reason that the algorithm treats share outs like they're some kind of major commodity like gold or diamond is because of the fact that sharing out a person's content draws in potential new viewers to YouTube. YouTube's algorithm sees this as a good thing, a very good thing. You are attempting to help this YouTuber grow as well as help YouTube as the company grow by drawing in new viewers, giving them new statistics, and allowing them to pretty much gain more money. Yes, it is about money. It's as much about money as anything else. But it's about growing the platform. And YouTube as a platform, it needs to grow. And so, to do that, guys, what we want to do as the viewer is we want to make certain we like, we want to make certain we comment if we enjoyed it enough. But we always want to share out content of smaller YouTubers. Always. You want to share it because by sharing it out, what you're really getting is you're getting the satisfaction of knowing that the way the algorithm treats share out, that you're going to help them grow because more viewers are going to see their specific content. They're going to come to YouTube if they're not already a YouTube user. If they are already a YouTube user, then they're going to go and check your channel out or check the channel that you're showing out. This helps them grow. And let me tell you, the algorithm really does treat share out like they are the cream of the crop thing that you can do. So, what I want you to do at the end of today's video, guys, is I don't want you to like and comment and share this video out. I don't want to see that. I want to see this video tainted. Okay, I want to see this video go to the floor. Meaning, if I'm lucky, it gets 1 like and maybe has a comment that says, "You suck." Okay, you can say that. I don't care. You can tell me how awful I am as a YouTuber. It's not going to bother me. However, I do want you to go to your favorite small-time YouTuber, that person who is under 1,000 subscribers, and I want you to test this too. I want you to like and comment, but I also want you to share that video out. Share it out to the whole community, share it out to Twitter, Reddit, wherever you share it out on your social media. I want you to see how that person performs after that. Because I bet I'm right. And this is a tried and true method. I've already tested this. Okay? There have been 3 channels that I've followed here on YouTube since before they had 1,000 subscribers, starting about a year ago. In a year, these 3 channels respectively have grown to 2,000 plus subscribers, 1,500 plus subscribers, and 3,000 plus subscribers. Now, none of them were above 1,000 when I first joined. But I spent every single time that I watched a stream or video or even a short, and I liked and commented, but then I also took one step further and I shared it out. I shared it out to Twitter, to Reddit, to Facebook, to my own second Discord server for the channel here, and surprisingly enough, they weren't doing so well on just likes and comments because of the way the algorithm treats those. They're just part of a normal part of YouTube. However, share outs seem to happen so infrequently that the smaller channels aren't growing because of it. And when we do share them out, they explode. They grow like crazy, like weeds, dude. Like they will grow if you share them out. And it's because you're drawing new audiences to them instead of the already inside of YouTube's audience. And there is a difference, okay? You get your YouTube audience. They just sit right here. They do pretty much YouTube stuff. They watch YouTube videos. They hit like sometimes. They might comment here and there. And then you have those like me who share it out, drawing in new viewers instead of the already on YouTube subset. We gain all these new viewers from just the internet. And that helps YouTube as a platform to grow. That helps us as creators to grow. And it helps you see those small-time YouTubers that you're wondering why they can't grow. Well, they can't grow because nobody's sharing the content yet. And that really is what it's all breaking down to, guys. It is that simple. I know that sounds stupid. I know it's almost unbelievable how dumb that really sounds. But it's true. And again, like I said, I've tested this with you guys. I already know for a fact that it works. I already know that likes and comments are kind of brushed over by the YouTube algorithm. It doesn't really seem to care what you're doing. It really doesn't. Not with likes and comments. But if you share someone out, guys, they're going to grow. They will absolutely grow. Markiplier himself once said that he was just kind of plugging along until somebody shared him out on Reddit. And that was the end-all, be-all to it. That finalized it for him. He is now at the top with 35.4 million subscribers. Okay, and that all came from one Reddit share. Just one Reddit share, guys. Think about that. It didn't come from likes. It didn't come from comments. It came from a single Reddit share. Think about it. Same for Jacksepticeye. He got shared out on Twitter one day, and boom, he blew up. He blew up as a creator. But you don't see people sharing out a lot of content, and I can prove this with my own channel, when I can honestly say I've had 5 videos or streams ever shared. Okay? So, by all means, please understand, I know what I'm talking about. Okay, my channel's stagnated. Mostly because people don't share out my content. I'm not that entertaining. You know, I get it. I'm not a very entertaining person. I have game rage. I'm kind of a kill hole. You know, I make fun of myself, my audience, my editor. I'm kind of a douche. I get it. Okay, I get that a lot of you don't like watching my content. That's why you don't share it out. That's why my challenge to you guys is to, right about now, because we're getting close to it now, I want you to go to your favorite small YouTube channel. And I want you to like and comment like you normally do, but I want you to share it out to all your favorite social media platforms. And then I want you to leave in the comments below whether you did or not. I don't expect you to like today's video. I don't expect you to comment on today's video. I don't expect you to share today's video out. But I do want to see you, as the viewer, go to your favorite small-time YouTube channel, like, comment, and share to all social media, Twitter, Reddit, the works, and see if they don't grow. Anyhow, thanks so much for joining me today, you guys. You guys have been absolutely amazing. I know I'm kind of out of character today, but I thought this was a rather important message that y'all needed to see and hear. And so, without any further ado, thank you so much for joining me today, you guys. Go to your favorite small YouTuber, share their content out. I mean it. That is a challenge to you. You had better share it out. And I don't mean this video. I mean go to your favorite small YouTuber. and they better have under 1,000. Anyhow, guys, thanks again so much for joining me today. Absolutely love the faces, and as always, stay amazing, guys.